So welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can enable dark mode in your Trust Wallet. So guys, if you want dark mode in your Trust Wallet app, then this video is for you. So once you're in this home page, just look at this lower bar-like option right here, and you can see options like home, earn, history, and settings. Just need to go ahead and tap on settings right here, and once you do so, you'll see many options over here. So you'll see options like developer settings, connected apps, blocked apps, use secret phrase, language, color mode. So guys, to enable dark mode, we just need to go ahead and tap there, and as you can see, there are options like light, dark, and system. Just go ahead and tap on dark, and your Trust Wallet would be in dark mode. So guys, that's how you enable dark mode in your Trust Wallet. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.